Are you tired of the financial roller coaster, where uncertainty reigns and your hard-earned money hangs in the balance? Have you ever felt the sting of market volatility, where your investments can plummet overnight, leaving you bewildered and disheartened? Fear not, for we hold the key to unraveling this enigma. Fasten your seatbelts and get ready to discover the answer that will revolutionize your investment strategy. Welcome to Master Charts, where we provide education and insight on investing. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: the power of portfolio diversification with silver. So, fasten your seatbelts and get ready to discover the answer that will revolutionize your investment strategy. In this video, we'll reveal our thoughts on why including silver in your investment portfolio is a smart move. We will also give our view of silver later on in the video. But before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our valuable content. First up, silver is a reliable hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty. By diversifying your portfolio beyond stocks and bonds, silver can provide protection when other investments falter. But wait, there's more. Silver also has significant industrial demand. From electronics to solar panels and medical devices, silver plays a crucial role in multiple industries. As technology advances, the demand for silver is expected to rise, potentially driving up its prices. This is called supply and demand. Silver is a limited resource, and if demand exceeds supply, prices can soar. Many experts believe that silver is currently undervalued compared to other precious metals, making it an attractive investment opportunity. Now, here's the exciting part: silver is relatively affordable. Unlike other precious metals, silver is accessible to a broader range of investors, making it an excellent choice for those on a budget. And the potential for price appreciation? It's a game changer. Silver prices can be influenced by economic indicators, geopolitical events, and currency fluctuations. When the stars align, investors can seize opportunities and profit from silver's upward momentum. But remember, investing in silver comes with risks. Precious metals can be volatile, and prices can fluctuate wildly. It's essential to conduct thorough research and seek advice from financial professionals before making any investment decisions. In the ever-changing financial landscape, everyone's investment preferences and goals vary. We at Master Charts see silver as a buy around $20.50. The upside potential is huge, with $29.50 as our first target to take profit and $35 as the second. If the market breaks below $20.50, it's up to your risk tolerance on where you want to sell. $19.69 is a conservative stop for those that are more risk adverse. Please set alerts or stop-loss levels at $18.38. If silver breaks $18.38, sell right away as the play is invalid. Stay informed, stay curious, and always consult with a financial advisor to tailor your investment strategy to your unique needs. That wraps up our video, my fellow investors. We hope you found this insight into silver investments valuable. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share this video with other finance enthusiasts. And remember, stay tuned for more exciting content by subscribing to our channel.